terrific new features in Copilot in Excel. So let me show you. Actually, Copilot is able to detect if your Excel file has some inconsistencies. What do I mean by that? So sometimes it comes after you're waiting or you click on Copilot. Here it comes. If it doesn't come for whatever reason, you go to data and you say clean data, and it will show you some suggestions of what it can be an inconsistency. So basically, it looks at if there are too many spaces in your cells. So that can be the case for a lot of people who are gathering information from forms and put them in Excel. And people might not enter correctly the right address with maybe too many spaces. But most of the time is it's very often where you have numbers where there's spaces with the numbers, and so it's not consistent. Here, he discovered first one that, and you can see it highlights at like highlight the cells in red. So it shows me, for this inconsistency, what is inconsistent, and he suggests me, do you want to change it? So I can say, yeah, accept, and now it's not in red anymore, and there's no extra space. But also, apparently, it finds other things like it suggests me to replace IOP by the full name of IOP. So there's some intelligence here. The names, if they feel that it's not consistent, it's gonna suggest me to change the name. So that's another thing. Sometimes the name is not correctly spelled, so that can be very valuable. I don't know how far it goes, but it's very interesting. So it made me try another file actually. So I deliberately changed a file here. I put some blanks cells here, and I put some cells with extra space. So let's see if what it can detect. So I'm gonna go to data and go to clean data, and here it detects all my cells where I put extra space. So here that's very, very beneficial, but it didn't detect the blank cells. For him, it's not a problem. So maybe I can try to use Copilot this time and ask to highlight blank cells. So let's see if I can. So I guess it's edit. Need to highlight portion of data. Can I? Oh, okay, yes, you can help. Highlight in yellow the empty cells. So that's a use case that can be valuable, is to figure out, because it's hard to see where they are. You can see at the beginning, but when there's a lot of columns and data, it's going to be hard to find all of them. So using the highlighting feature, and for whatever reason, I don't know, this will highlight all the empty cells, but that's why I'm asking you to do. I don't want to do it manually. That's nice to tell me how to do it, but I want you to do it. Um, so I'm not sure. Sometimes it works. Sometimes highlighting works. Here it is. Now it works. For whatever reason, hallucination probably. And Excel, Copilot in Excel is still in preview, so that might be it. And so when I do that, it's really useful because now I can focus on what's missing. So I wanted to show you two different ways to check for inconsistencies in your Excel files, and I think it can be very valuable. Hope it's valuable for you too.